Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil, and what I'd like to do is introduce the vehicle that we've been working on, which is the Vauxhall Grand Land X. This is a 2018 model, and what we've installed is a fixed tow bar with 13-pin dedicated electrics. What dedicated electrics means is it retains all the safety features of the vehicles. We carry out all the work for a lot of the main dealerships across Cambridgeshire, mostly due to the fact that we don't install bypass electrics. All our systems are 13-pin dedicated systems. Allows you to tow anything up to the maximum weight of your vehicle, as well as the fact that it retains safety features, gives you more fuel in first and fifth gear, adjusts your braking systems, can deactivate and show a trailer symbol up on the vehicle depending on car. So on this particular vehicle, it's a brand new Grand Land X, and what we've done is, so it's a fixed tow bar and it's got 13-pin dedicated electrics, so they can safely enjoy their trip up north and tow their caravan. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any more questions about what is dedicated wiring and why it's beneficial over installing bypass electrics, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.